Meaning of dramaturge.
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 Dramaturge. A dramaturge is a person who works in the theater and is responsible for the literary and historical aspects of a production. They help to develop and shape the script, ensure historical accuracy and coherence, and provide context for the actors and director. Essentially, they are an expert on the written work being performed and assist with bringing it to life on stage. The role of a dramaturge can vary depending on the production and the theater company, but they are considered a vital member of the artistic team.